Hi, this is Gene from the Adobo Test Kitchen, and I'm here to show you how to make corned beef pizza with tater tots. And here are the ingredients. 1 can of corned beef hash, 1 can of pizza dough, 1½ cups of tater tots, 1 red onion sliced, 6 cloves of garlic crushed, ½ cup of pizza sauce, ½ cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, and salt and pepper to taste. So let's get started. In a skillet over medium heat, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil. I add the garlic and onions and cook, stirring occasionally until softened. Now add the corned beef, breaking the meat into smaller pieces. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Spray a foil-lined pan with non-stick cooking spray. Unroll the pizza crust and form into a rectangle. Spread the pizza sauce over the crust, leaving about a 1/4 inch space from the edges. Add the cooked corned beef and top with tater tots. Now sprinkle with the mozzarella cheese. Bake in the oven set to 400 degrees for about 16 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Remove from the oven and serve hot. So there you have it, my recipe for corned beef pizza with tater tots. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.